Silky Cantonese congee with century egg and lean pork. A delicious Cantonese cuisine, UA, breakfast main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 90 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 cup jasmine rice, 10 to 12 cups water or low-sodium chicken stock, 2 to 3 pieces dried scallops, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, a half teaspoon kosher salt, 250 grams pork tenderloin or lean shoulder, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing rice wine, 1 inch ginger, a half teaspoon cornstarch, a quarter teaspoon white pepper. Step 1. Wash the jasmine rice thoroughly in a bowl until the water runs clear. Drain well, then mix the rice with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and a half teaspoon of salt. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. This helps the grains break down faster during cooking. Step 2. While the rice is soaking, prepare the pork. Slice the lean pork into thin bite-sized pieces. Marinate with the Shaoxing wine, grated ginger, cornstarch, and white pepper. Set aside in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Step 3. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot or a clay pot, bring 10 cups of water or chicken stock to a rolling boil. If using dried scallops, add the shredded pieces now. Step 4. Add the soaked rice to the boiling water. Stir immediately to prevent the grains from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Step 5. Bring the mixture back to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low. Partially cover the pot with a lid, leaving a small crack for steam to escape. Step 6. Simmer the congee for about 60 to 75 minutes. Stir every 10 to 15 minutes, especially toward the end, to ensure the rice doesn't scorch. The congee is ready when the grains have completely burst and the texture is thick and creamy. Step 7. While the congee simmers, peel the century eggs and cut them into small cubes. Add half of the cubed eggs into the pot 30 minutes into the cooking process. They will partially dissolve and flavor the base. Step 8. Once the congee has reached your desired consistency, turn the heat up to medium. Add the marinated pork pieces, stirring constantly to separate them so they cook evenly. This should only take 2 to 3 minutes. Step 9. Stir in the remaining half of the century eggs and cook for another 2 minutes until heated through. Step 10. Taste the congee and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt if necessary, though the century eggs and marinated pork usually provide enough saltiness. Step 11. Turn off the heat. Ladle the hot congee into deep serving bowls. Step 12. Garnish generously with julienne ginger, sliced green onions, cilantro, and a few drops of sesame oil. Serve immediately with warm pieces of youtiao on the side. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.